Alright, attempt number 2. Well, it works. I'm gonna add some power steering now. It looks like we have enough for a drive, so I'm gonna try driving it. Alright, so the car felt really good. Alignment's a little bit off, obviously, but overall it's not bad. I actually really enjoyed it. So I'm really excited to finish her up and have it as a nice daily driver. But so far I'm super impressed. So either daily drive it or sell it, one of those. But right now I need to go ahead and clean all this mess up, and then I can start working on quarter panel and a door. So Right, so as you all saw, I welded this whole shot. I try not to use too much heat so it doesn't warp it even more. Pulled this one out, and I don't really know what to do about this one yet, so I'm just gonna leave it for now. But basically the metal on the inside is like split, so I'm thinking maybe I need to put a plate, like a 90-degree plate on the inside, and kind of weld it to it, but I'm gonna think on that for now. So now on this side I need to take more paint off for the bundle to stick to the metal and block everything with my white block. Alright, so I did a bunch of sanding, and as you can see, this line is coming back. Still need to do a little bit of sanding, fill up some low spots. This stuff right here feels really good, besides this like weird line that stayed in here for some reason. But so I'm just gonna body fill on top of it, and low spot right here, big time, bunch of low spots. Still need to, yeah, I just need to fill this the whole thing over again. And I'm gonna, while it's drying, I'm gonna put a door back on so I can see my line, and I can kind of adjust this edge right here accordingly to the door. Alright, so I did a lot of more sanding because I'm not great with this body filler, but this line came out really nice. Perfect gap. Still need to sand a little bit more on the inside. And for last like 2 hours I've been fighting this, but I think I'm getting there. This is nice and faded, and put more around here and around here. So I'm gonna try to keep going at it. And honestly, if I completely give up on it, I'm just literally gonna take it to a body shop. It's next door, and have them finish and make it nice, so I can be comfortable with it, and then I'll paint it. So I'm gonna try a little bit more. While it's drying, I'm gonna do a door, because door has a dent right here and a big dent right here. So I'm gonna work on the door now. Alright, so the door is fixed. It was really easy to do. So that's door's ready. My fender's alright. And again, I sanded more, and this feels really close. This part right here, but then I think this section right here, it feels a little bit high. So probably need to sand it more. This feels real nice, and then I just need to fill up this little spots. But turned out not bad. So next I need to fix this situation right here, and then car will be almost done and ready to go. I'm gonna have to end it today. Lots of stuff I did. Finished suspension, started body work, drove it around, and actually I got some motorcycle parts, so it's gonna be a CBR video soon. They're just like white, black and white. I'm gonna show you later. And yeah, it's been fun. Freaking tired. Hate body work. I did work at the body shop before, and I was just never good with body work, so I do what I can, and like I said, if I can't do it, I'll just take it to a body shop. But so far it looks good. I'm really happy with it, and I'm gonna end it now. So thanks guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Goodbye.